people, I believe you're doing great, and I welcome and appreciate your presence in Cuckoo's Study Lab. History holds evidence to the fact that nations most of the time fight war to change map, and in certain cases they resort to war to make change. In the Ukrainian crisis, Russia is striving for both of the options. In that, Moscow is restoring its lost glory by consolidating its sphere of influence, which was dismantled with the fall of Iron Curtain back in 1980s. Also, by pushing backward NATO's expansionary designs near its periphery, Kremlin is rewriting the rules of global geopolitical chessboard and thereby corroborating its rise as a major power in the 21st century. Here it is pertinent to mention that globalization was thought of having geopolitics offset, yet to the detriment of nation states, imperialism is lurching in the garb of geopolitics. Indeed, the Ukrainian crisis is one of the instances of geopolitics spiraling upward regardless of complex interdependence and interconnectivity. Against this backdrop, in today's sitting we will be dealing with Ukrainian crisis or Russia's invasion of Ukraine. We will answer such questions as what triggered Russia to invade Ukraine, why the West wants to expand NATO, how the crisis confirms the collapse of liberal meritocratic order, and finally we will provide Pakistan's perspective vis-a-vis the maturing crisis in the form of Ukrainian war.
So this is all for today, people. If you got any confusion related to this topic, please let me know about your issues through your comments. I will address them in my next lecture. Thank you very much.